Today I want to share with you this amazing pastel portrait. As you can see, it's up here. This is for the upcoming artist, whether you're a beginner or you are an experienced artist. With these little tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next levels. So come with me. This my little ideas and knowledge can help you inspire and looking at some other creator big works like this, this, and this. You know, these are professional artwork. If you can look at the detail of this work, this one too, you can agree with me how they took their time creating this amazing art piece. But first thing first, being an artist comes with a lot of responsibility. First of all, you have to be patient, consistent, and all of that. Art is a mean of communication, as you all know. You understand? So, starting an artwork, you always have it at the back of your mind. This is what actually you want to do, because you're the owner of your art. No matter how it is, you are the owner and the original person that creates the artwork. So let's talk about this particular pastel portrait drawing. This work actually took me like 7 hours to create this amazing pastel portrait. You understand? So I use pastel. I may not be showing them here because they didn't pay me to advertise for this, but if you want to know my tools and get more enlightened about my tools, you can comment in the comment section and tell me what you actually want. I can explain, you understand, for you more. So first of all, I have my sketch of the reference picture I want to draw. Then I start graduating it using the skin tone colors to graduate it. As you can see in the portrait, how beautiful and how the works looks. Understand? So this is how I draw and I do my work actually. Understand? So it's not about passion, because I can understand very well when the beginning of my career artwork I was not able to do things like that, but consistent and determined, I beginning to develop some skills which I love, and today I create amazing artwork like this and people are giving me comments like this. You understand? So sometimes people even believe in me more than I do. You understand? But I'm just here doing my works, you understand? But this is a talent, you understand? So I'm here to encourage you and spark your brain at whatever you are doing, and you have to take it serious, being an artist or whatever career that you do, because it's not all about the beginnings that really counts. You get my point? So it doesn't matter how you start, you just keep practicing, keep drawing. I can remember way back while starting my art journey, sometimes I draw a particular portrait for 2 weeks. One, for me, yeah, it's not actually enough time, you understand? But how I always want to get this, and I wasn't getting it. Sometimes I'll get provoked, and but each time I sleep, the images keep running to my head. So these are the basic little tips that you need to understand. When you walk and you're tired with your drawing, you have to give yourself a break, right? You have to give yourself a break. Go back, relax, do some other things that you love to do, then come back and continue. So I hope with these little tips can help you. Always subscribe and stay tuned for more art tips and how to take your art to the next level. So see you in my next video. Thank you and do have a wonderful day. Bye.